Borrowers and business groups have welcomed the rate cut. They've joined the calls for banks to pass on the full amount. But one lender has already defied the calls, passing on just 35 basis points. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
Living near the epicentre of Australia's mining boom in Perth doesn't guarantee a carefree life.
We've got a new house and a relatively large mortgage, and with 4 young children, the cost of living increases every day as they grow.
So Tamzin Leitch says the Reserve Bank's cuts will help ease those pressures.
It's very exciting news. We've been waiting a while.
The news was too late for Sydney clothing retailer Maria Con, who's closing down after 8 years in business.
We're making sometimes a quarter of what we should a day, and we're making below what we need for rent, let alone wages and other expenses.
Maria doesn't see a rate cut bringing back shoppers who used to buy $500 gowns.
Now we've got $59 for a gown, and that's what people are more happy to spend, not the big bucks anymore.
Up the road, where some customers spend big bucks on hi-fi, they'll tell you why a big 50 basis point cut is so important.
A small 0.25% of an interest rate cut is just a little slice off the top, and I don't really see it affecting with the cost of living in Australia so high.
The decision now rests with Australia's lenders.
Pass this rate reduction on in full, in good time, and it will support the strength of your own customers.
But one major lender was making no promises.
We think of the interest of 1.8 million mortgage holders, but at the same time 14 million deposit holders, 800,000 shareholders, and it's always a balance.
And borrowers know the rules of the rate cut game have changed.
It'd be pretty disappointing if they didn't, but that's happened before, so we'll see.
And at least one bank hasn't. The Bank of Queensland passed on 35 basis points. Philip Lasker, ABC News.